Hail Mallrats, we are here at Ayala the 30th. It's December 2024 and we're about to check out the first holiday gift bazaar at the 30th. Hail Mallrats, we are here at Ayala the 30th. It's December 2024 and we're about to check out the first holiday gift bazaar at the 30th. Gifts, crafts, toys, art, and fun. It's kind of like an extension of a toy fair, toy con thing. So let's go around. Okay, so this one looks... so this is kind of funny because... well, okay, so it started December 16th. What is today? I think this is December 16th. So the fun thing is the Christmas Toy Con by Toy-Con PH just finished yesterday at Mega Mall. So I'm not sure how many of these stalls were there. Okay, let's take a look at what we have. That's the front area. Okay. Let's take a look at the other side. And we'll go around in a clockwise motion. Okay, it's covering the entire first, ground floor. Ground floor, not the basement, the ground floor. Figures. One figures. That's still a thing. Back in Meralco, we have some swords. Swords. These are wooden. Yeah, these are wood. I think they're wood. Some of them are heavy metal. Anime figures. Parades. So around. Yeah, it's more arts and crafts stuff. Customized bracelets or necklaces or something. Some is Lego looking things. It's Lego. Lego. Figures. This one is custom jewelry. Just like it. Crochet donut hole thing. This doll is blank. This one is Yubu baby wipes and stuff. Some baby stuff. Yeah, it's baby stuff. Matchbox cars or something like this. Looks like that. Diecast collectibles. I do remember this stall from yesterday. This one is just generalized anime stuff. I do remember this stall from yesterday. Okay, let's go to the other side. Taking video earlier, but thought the functions were taking video. Adults. there. Something to do with light stuff. Hope it's fine on the video. Let's see. Let's see. I'm gonna have to see what that looks like. Whenever I hit the balance and the refocus, things just start going south. Go around. It's a big click from IKEA. Okay, IKEA. Some no Lego figures here. Lego Star Wars. Evil Blacksmith. Okay, so that's side 1. We're gonna go over to side 2. Okay. Alright, so this is the other side. What is this? Just I don't know what that is. Ooh, man. Gotta be something. Food items. Merch posters. Merch. Bunch of bags. So this is the first day. This is the first day here, apparently. Stuff, toy, keychain things. Clothing. Trinkets and doodads. Some native looking stuff. Look at this. Big goods. So that's cookies and brownies. This one has nothing yet. Okay. Nothing yet here, too. This one is flavor but message from there's nothing here yet. It's anime stuff.
Yes, po. Ano sa inyo, sir?
Figures or some cards there.
Yan ako, sir.
There. The chambers down there. I already have one of those. This one is more food. Rough porky and food. This one is for content. This is handset material. AIA. Okay. So this one's probably insurance, I think.
1 hour umabot din.
Who done that?
Kasi nung I do.
It's recording properly. Okay, so now when it refocuses, it starts to have some problems, so we're gonna try not to refocus. Stuff. There's another one there. It's different. Interesting. North Face. Funko Pops. Because why not? Lego. There's a lot of Lego there. Oh, Minecraft. Minecraft. Okay. Oh, it's auto-focusing. I don't know what these are. These are cute. Yes. some toy fair, toy fun. And there you go. That's it. Top view of the I forgot what it's called, Holiday Bazaar thing. Yeah, the 30th. Small area. Nothing to specifically go here for unless it's on the way to wherever you're going or you're going to the mall incidentally. Alright. So that I think was it. That is the what is this called? The Holiday Gift Bazaar at the 30th. Okay. First holiday. Okay. Yes. Okay, so that's what it is. Anyway, there you go, guys. All right out.
Hey, you made it to the end of the video. If you liked the video, hit that like button. If you enjoy similar content, consider subscribing to the channel. If you want to help us make more stuff, share the video with your friends and circles. Consider checking out our other channels. We have dedicated channels for hobbies, games, and other stuff. And I'll see you in the next video. OC Mallrat out.